welcome to Eat Your Backyard. In this video, we're going to go ahead and harvest some bananas. It is January, and it's as good a time as any to get some bananas. What do you think?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm going to let you film, and then I'll saw this thing down.
Okay.
And we should probably tell people that when we harvest bananas, like this big hand right here, saw down the whole banana tree, and then new growth starts from the base, and that's how the cycle of life happens for the banana. So let's get right to it. In this video, I share with you a very special day that I had with my son, and I also hope to inspire you to start your own food forest in your backyard. This season, I will actually be greatly implementing a permaculture setup in my yard. You see behind Jack there, that is now a bunny run. So, hey, if you're not subscribed already, please do. In this video, I'm going to show you how to harvest, or at least how we harvest our bananas. Enjoy. Stay to the end for a special ASMR video. Banana for compost.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go.
Looks like a sword, a banana sword.
That's incredible, isn't it?
Yeah.
We'll try to eat that banana flower too.
It's edible?
Oh yeah. Here, watch. Ready? You want to break it? I feel bad breaking it.
Oh, okay.
Watch all the water. It'll do the drip. You can come closer.
Okay.
Yeah, watch all the water. It will do a drip. There's a drip. Oh, it's dripping from the other end. You don't want to get that banana sap on you. It's dripping out of both ends now. See? You don't want to get that banana sap on you. Dripping out of the flour for sure. It's so full of water. Look at that banana flour. I'm going to boil that. Try to eat it.
Okay. Take your sword.
Okay, now the next thing is, let's chop it into different hands of banana. And that's just done delicately because if you nick these banana peels, they'll turn really brown. See if you can get it.
No.
How many do you think we'll get?
A lot.
stuck. This is how I feel after I trim my banana. So happy. Hello?
Yeah?
This calls for you.
Okay.
Alright, come on over here and check this out. Just throw that up on the
Wow, a lot of bananas.
Yeah. There's a lot of them. Put them with the sap part dripped over the edge because you don't want the sap even to get on the table. It will stain it.
There might be two.
Well, there it is. So as we chopped up the banana stump for composting, we realized that it's like a gigantic bamboo shoot like you would get at a Chinese food restaurant. But also, look at these, how the pieces fell off like this. So wild. You see the redness of the sugars in some of them. I was getting older. Wow, look at that. Using your Buddha belly bamboo stick as the poker, and we'll just toss all this stuff back in the heap to go back into the pile. Nice work.
Right?
Yeah. you.
Okay.